Hello everyone. This is a rainy day today in my neighborhood. Just wanted to show you what we're doing today. Trying to get my butt in the house. I'm waiting it out. So wait with me, what's everyone doing today? How's everyone's day today? And what are your plans? I think, I was planning to do my yard. As you can see, my yard needs doing really bad. But God had other plans, and that's okay too. So I'm just coming back from working hard. This is what I come home to. And we have a flood advisory out. So I'm not going to bore your day. I just wanted to show you. I'm not trying to show other people's residents here. But I just wanted to show you. This is how my day is going so far. So you enjoy your day. Leave me a comment. Let me know what's going on. Is it raining in your neighborhood? How is the weather? What time is it? What are you doing today? Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.